This is a video that I've wanted to do for ages. It's something that I've actually manifested into my own life, and it was actually recently requested by one of my subscribers, and you can see the message right there. If you have any video ideas and you want me to do a video on a specific thing, literally send me a message on Simmyssecrets. So literally reach out, because I love hearing from you, or email me if you don't have Instagram. The details are all below. So let's jump straight into this video of how to manifest friends into your life. Now, I've done this in my own life. I've actually coached my client on this as well from south of France, and I've actually helped a lot of other people with manifesting different things into their life. So I do this in one-to-one coaching as well. So let's talk about how you actually manifest friends into your life. So I'm going to talk about how I done it, and then I'm going to break it up step by step for you guys so you can actually manifest people into your life. So guys, if we literally do a flashback to where I was a couple of years ago to now, I literally have so many friends around me now. I have people to rely on. I know who are my real friends, who aren't. I know people who show up for me consistently, and I literally went from 0 friends, or even just like one person I could rely on, to a group of girls who are powerful. They uplift me, they have goals, they're ambitious, and these are the types of people that I wanted to surround myself by. So the first thing I'm going to say to you is, no matter how you're feeling, it's all about asking the universe for that specific thing. So what type of friends do you want to manifest into your life? And I want you to think about it in depth, and I want you to either write it down or just have that type of vision and intent in your head. So do you want friends who are very, very outgoing? Do you want to be around party girls? Do you want to be around, or even guys? Do you want to be around people who uplift you, are ambitious? So for me, I really wanted to manifest girls into my life who I could rely on, who were supportive, who were ambitious, and who were there for me. So even though I had a lack of that in my life, I no longer focused on the lack, and I actually focused more on what I wanted to manifest. Now, a lack in your life basically means you have a lack of love for that specific thing. So if you feel like you have a lack of friends in your life, you have a lack of love for the friends you already have, or the friends who are about to enter into your life, and sometimes you can be blocking your own blessings. So the next step, when you know exactly what you want, which is asking the universe for those types of friends and being very specific as to what you guys are going to do, where you guys are going to go, how they're going to make you feel. You need to be specific as to the types of friends you want. Now, I wouldn't suggest you to manifest specific people or specific friends into your life. I have actually managed to do that, but I just want you to focus on, in general, manifesting these people into your life. So now you can go to the believing process, and in order to believe that this is possible, you have to have all negative people or all negative friends eliminated out of your life. You can't have, you can't want to manifest these amazing people into your life if you don't have space for them to appear. So number one is get rid of all the negative things in your life, friends into your life. You have to really show up and be a friend to yourself. So we'll talk about this in the letting go process as well, but I just want you guys to bear that in mind. So in order to believe that these new friends are going to come into your life, we're going to do a visualization. And in that visualization, all I want you to do is to take a few breaths to actually tune into the first step, which is actually be specific as to what you want and who you want to manifest into your life. And then I want you to either have a visual picture of, it could be friends from the past, like me, I had friends from the past, or I want you to literally focus on actually having people in your life in general who you just want to spend time with. So have some sort of image associated with those people that you want to manifest. So that's whether you want a specific friend or in general. It doesn't mean that just because you're focusing on school friends that you're going to manifest them. You may manifest someone into your life that's completely different, but it will have the same energy and the same feeling as you want. Now, one amazing thing about the law of attraction is every single time you set an intent or you send out love or loving energy, you have to get that loving energy back. Now, it doesn't necessarily mean it's going to come from that person who you want it from, but somewhere in your life, that energy or that love is going to be reciprocated back to you. So when you're doing this visualization, you need to feel good about yourself, you need to feel whole and complete, and you need to visualize these people coming into your life, them already being in your life. You don't have to really focus on how they will come or when they will come, but just focus more on feeling good and being within that state of knowing these people are on their way. Now, you can use rose quartz, which is a crystal that I sell as well. It's really good for improving relationships, improving self-love, or manifesting relationships and love into your life. And obviously, this doesn't just mean a partner, this can be relationships with friends as well. So I would recommend that, and I'll probably do a full video on how to manifest friendships using rose quartz. So now we know what roughly you're going to do during that 17-second visualization. I want you to spend at least 17 seconds a day for the next 21 days doing this visualization. But when you're doing it, you have to feel good about yourself. You have to know within your heart, even before those people are not yet in your life, that they are about to manifest into your life. You can't just do the 17-second visualization and then literally for the next 24 hours or however long it is, act like, you know, you have a lack of friends, or be upset that you don't have anyone to go out with, or feel as if you're missing friends in your life. You have to maintain the vibration. So the 17-second visualization is for you to focus, but you need to keep this vibration, this visualization going throughout the whole day. Now, that's not to say keep doing it every single second of the day, but for example, say you're driving, imagine your friend's in the car with you, you're talking to a friend even though they're not there yet. Or when you're cleaning your room, imagine how good it would be to have sleepovers with your friend. Or if you're going to a coffee shop, imagine how amazing it would feel to go to the coffee shop with a friend. So it's basic things like that that you can implement into your life for the next 21 days. Now, this will help you to raise your vibration, maintain your vibration. Someone's at my door. It might be one of my friends. This will help you to maintain your vibration, raise your vibration, as well as keep your energy high and your belief that these people are on its way, which is literally the second step. So now we're going to do the 17-second visualization. I want you to put your phones on airplane mode. Don't get distracted. And baby cakes, I want you to close your eyes and do that visualization and send out the intent that these people are on their way. Close your eyes and I will tell you when to open them. And if you have rose quartz, hold it in your hand. And baby cakes, the visualization starts now. And now guys, come back to the room, open your eyes, and now do not think negatively and maintain that sort of peace. You felt that peace in that moment. You felt, you know, you was just in your thoughts. You saw the visualization that these new friends are on their way. Now I want you to maintain it. Now the way you're going to maintain it is by doing the third step, which is allowing yourself to receive your new friends into your life and let go. So this doesn't mean chasing new friends. You don't constantly go out and look for them. You don't message a bunch of people. But if someone pops up in your life, I'll give you an example. So I was literally cleaning through my room and I saw a picture of two of my old best mates, and this is when I barely had any friends, and I literally sent them a photo and they literally started messaging me and saying, let's go out, let's reconnect. So it could be something simple as that. Now that doesn't mean you're chasing it, because you're not begging to be someone's friend. You just literally sent something to someone and it reminded you of them. So first I done the visualization, then the universe showed me this photo in my room, then I remembered them, and then I had to take the action. So this is where a lot of people mess up with the law of attraction. They just think you need to visualize and that's it. You don't have to do any action, but you do have to do some sort of action. Now that doesn't mean actively chasing for friends and going out and looking for them, but in the next 21 days you're gonna get a sign. Someone may text you, someone may automatically Snapchat you, it may be someone who you think of randomly, and then you have to do the action where you respond or you text them or you say, oh, do you want to meet up? So this has to be a 50-50, guys. It can't just be all the person, but the universe will put something into your life in order for you to develop that connection and to make new friends. So you need to take that, you literally need to take that sign. Signs can be going to a new class, attending a new gym session, or, you know, it could be some work colleague, it could be anyone. So keep your eyes open, pay attention. Now, the last part of the letting go process is feeling good about yourself and loving yourself before those friends come into your life. Now, what does this look like? This means physically working on yourself. If you want a friend that really takes care of herself or himself, or you want a friend who has all this designer or who looks really good or is really fashionable, baby cakes, you need to make sure that, you know, you look the part when you go out, you look the part when you're on social media. Now, that doesn't mean go spend thousands of pounds trying to improve your looks, but even just waking up in the morning, getting dressed, putting a bit of makeup on, or going to do your nails, making yourself feel good in order to attract those people into your life. Because remember, you're trying to get into an energetic alignment with them. And if you're the type of person who's in joggers all day, you look scruffy, you're not trying to, you know, look the part, people aren't going to want to go out with you, and that's just the truth of the matter, and that's the sad reality of it. But make sure physically you feel good and you're looking good and you're at your best every day. The second part is mentally. You have to be prepared to be a friend. So first you need to be a friend to yourself. How is this? By living up to your promises, by doing self-care, by giving yourself little gifts or taking yourself out on little friendship dates. You need to do these things first so that when you do have a friend, you're mentally already on that level. You're used to going out because you take yourself out. You have things to talk about like gym or work or, you know, books you read, because you're already doing certain things into your life. So I'm a big believer that you have to look at yourself and think, will I be friends with myself in the way I am right now? And if the answer is no, because mentally you're drained all the time, you don't want to go out, you just want to go sleep after work, or physically you can't even be bothered to get out your joggers and you're in joggers all day and you don't even do anything with your life, well then how can you expect someone to want to be your friend? You've got to improve yourself, give yourself a little glow up, give yourself that little boost of positivity, that spark back into your life, feeling good, and you'll naturally attract, and lots of people want to be around you, because not only are you physically looking good, but mentally you're leveled up. And that is how you can manifest friends, new friends, old friends into your life effortlessly within the next 21 days. So my baby cakes, if you want to be my friends, like this video, subscribe, I'll see you on Instagram, shout me out that you've literally listened to this video, give me a shout out, or literally message me on Instagram. And baby cakes, I'll see you in the next video, and hopefully by then you've manifested some new friends into your life.